Welcome to the heart of Kaneohe. Come on in. As soon as you enter through this entrance, you're gonna see this really large kitchen, all brand new appliances, large farmhouse sink, soft close cabinets, and really just bringing in the colors and the elements of Hawaii into the home. You've got washer and dryer here. Look at all of this extra storage for whatever you need. So beautiful. And you have this seamless open concept that makes the house feel so long. So you've got your dining, your living area. This is another front door over here. And then come this way, check it out. This house has so much character with the slanted ceilings, and it's chilly in here with all of the split ACs. The bathroom, I love the colors with this one, that like teal with the black, absolutely beautiful. This is a really generous sized room. Again, you have all the black hardware, the dual pane windows. We have yet another split AC, keeping you cold on those hot Hawaii days. And then check out the size of this living room. You have so much space, so if you had like an L-shaped sofa, it'd work perfectly. And then as we go into the primary, I cannot get over this bathroom. I'm obsessed. Look how beautiful this tile work is. You know, sometimes people flip and it looks cheap. This one, you can tell they took so much time on both the materials and the craftsmanship that it is just absolutely stunning. Then we come into the primary that's got an exit, and check out the French drains too. They really just did a great job with paying attention to the quality of details. And this room is huge. All the storage that you need, and then you also have a full walk-in closet. More storage here in the linen closet. And then last but not least, the fourth bedroom, again with the split AC, the slanted ceilings, the recessed light, right off of Kaneohe Bay Drive. So if you're someone that wants to live on the east side, give me a call. This has the house for you.